The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Johnston County in southeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Bryan County in southeastern Oklahoma, Marshall County in southeastern Oklahoma, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Thunderstorm north of 4 miles. A tornado is located near moving east at 30 miles per hour. Moving north. Golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Any size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Durant, Maudeal, Kingston, Colbert, Silo, Meade, Armstrong, Cartwright, Woodville, Willis, Little City, Nita, Lake Texoma, Calera, and Lake Bride. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The current time